माननीय सभासदों, माननीय सभापति जी।
यस, डेरिक जी, पॉइंट ऑफ ऑर्डर आपका। किस रूल में डेरिक जी?
Yes, sir, I'm giving you. This is on.
Please.
Yes, sir. Seriously.
Please.
This is on the listing of this bill today. ये जो बिल है, मैं एक बार आपको नंबर देता हूँ सर।
हाँ।
ये झगड़ा का कोई बात नहीं, मैं आपको पॉइंट ऑफ ऑर्डर।
नहीं, बिल्कुल झगड़ा क्यों होगा? ये तो।
Sir, 1 minute, sir. I'm just giving you the rule number.
Please, let him give.
Sir,
please.
Rule numbers. Seriously, sir. 1 second. First, I always like to give you the page number.
Yes, please.
Then it becomes easy for you and for me, sir.
No, I'm saying English copy, no problem.
Acha, 26.
20?
Page number 26.
Right.
Rule number 69.
Yes.
So I'm on a point of order on this listing now, which you want to take up for consideration, the Election Laws Amendment Bill 2021.
Right.
So ये देख लीजिए, 69 subsection 4. सर एक पॉइंट ऑफ रिकॉर्ड में है, कल ये बिल लोकसभा में पास हुआ 3 बजे या 4 बजे। सर ये तो 3 या 4 बजे या उसके आगे, और वहां यहां जो बोल रहा है इसमें, provided that no such motion shall be made until all copies of the bill have been made available for the use of members, and that any member may object to any such motion being made unless copies of the bill have so made available for 2 days. 1 second, for 2 days. 1 second, sir, you finish your consultation, I'll also wait. No problem, there's no problem. Yeah.
Please.
So, have been available for 2 days before the day on which the motion is made, and such objection shall prevail unless the chairman, I'm reading that, unless the chairman allows the motion to be made. So, sir, the residual power lies with the chairman. I have no problem admitting that. But, sir, listen to this. If a bill is passed in the Lok Sabha yesterday at 3 p.m., our right as a Rajya Sabha MP is to bring a select committee resolution, let's say. Sir, where is the time provided? Where is the time provided? Because during the farm bill, sir, 7 of us brought resolutions.
Yes.
None of them were allowed a vote. So I'm seeking your protection, sir. This bill cannot be listed today. 2 days, only not even 1 day has passed.
Clear.
Sir, it's very clear. But, anything can be done. You can also manufacture a majority in Rajya Sabha by keeping 12 MPs outside. So anything happens.
The rule, please,
So now you tell me.
Derek ji, please listen.
Yes, sir.
The rule quoted is for bills introduced in this house and not referred from Lok Sabha, for which Rule 123 is there.
Let us look at Rule 123. Sir, let us look at Rule 123.
Right.
Yes, come to Rule 123, sir. This will be on page 41. Where have I got time as a member of this house to pass, to give you a resolution to send this bill to a select committee? How can you be doing this, sir? There's nothing left. You want to bring a bill, you won't give me, listen, some of us members want to, I'm not getting into the merits and demerits. The demerits we can talk for 10 hours. This is a hopeless bill. But I'm not getting into that. I'm on procedure. You cannot. Where is my time to present a resolution asking for a select committee? So you tell me this.
Thank you. Please,
Motion.
please. First, let me reply to Derek ji. Under Rule 123, Honorable Chairman has already given his permission to move the motion at shorter notice.
Sir,
Please.
sir,
Mani Anand ji, please.
No, sir, I haven't finished.
You have already had your two point of, yes.
Sir, I'm not making
Please,
noise. I'm
please.
having a discussion with you.
Please.
You may not agree. That is all fine, sir. The final decision is the chair's. Now you come to one more rule, sir. regarding the suspension of the 12 members.
That is not the subject we are discussing.
No, that can be discussed.
Yes.
It's beyond.
It's not discussed now. It's not.
No.
Please,
Sir,
please.
Sir, that is
Manak,
a...
please, no. This is not on the agenda. Mani Anandji,
Sir,
please.
Sir, एक second, sir,
Please,
एक second.
please.
आप खुद देख लीजिए. आप खुद देख लीजिए. Sir,
This is not on the
please
agenda.
come to... Let us agree on one thing.
Yes.
The residual chair, the residual power is with the chair. Today, I'm not wearing this, sir. I am wearing,
Please be
I'm
specific.
wearing a
Please,
blue
please,
dress and coming to
please,
parliament.
please.
Yes, I'm wearing a blue dress.
Please be specific.
The chair
Thank you.
is supreme.
Thank you.
So I'm wearing a blue
Thank you.
dress. What can I do?
Thank you.
But what about suspension 256?
Please, no, I'm not coming on that. It's not on the agenda. Please, Mani Anandji.
Sir, I am on Rule 33, sir, my point of order, about the functions of the Business Advisory Committee.
Rule 33.
Yes, sir.
Right.
33. A, sir. 33.1.
Yes.
It shall be the function of the committee to recommend the time that should be allocated, A, for the discussion of stage or stages of such government bills and other business as the chairman in consultation with the leader of the council may direct to for being referred to the committee. Now, sir, the last BAC for which proper notice was sent as is required under the rules, and I can go to those rules also, this was never mentioned, nor any time was allocated. We are members of the Business Advisory Council, whether it's the LOE, of Chief Whip, all of leaders. It's not only the government which constitutes the BSC, it's the House, and the opposition is very much part of that. There was no proper notice. There was hardly any information. At least I can say on record, I was never informed. Now, how can this be done? This is most undemocratic. You are depriving the members of the Business Advisory Committee their privilege and their right. And you are allocating time. You are waiving rules. You are not giving us time to move the motions.
Thank you, Anandji.
And what
Thank
this
you.
bill is,
Mr. Bhupendra Yadav,
lies in the
please.
face of the
Thank you.
Supreme Court judgment
Thank you.
also.
Thank you. Thank you. Please. Manya Bhupenji. Please. Yes, I have heard you, Anandji. Please take your seat. Please.
सर एक विषय हम देख रहे हैं और हम सब सदस्यों को अधिकार है रूल 258 में पॉइंट ऑफ ऑर्डर रेज करने का। सर, पॉइंट ऑफ ऑर्डर रूल 258 में हम लोग रेज भी करते हैं, लेकिन जो 258 है उसके 2 पैराग्राफ हैं। पहले पैराग्राफ में कोई भी सदस्य पॉइंट ऑफ ऑर्डर को रेज करता है और दूसरे पैराग्राफ में सदस्य के लिए अनिवार्य भी होता है कि अगर पॉइंट ऑफ ऑर्डर को रेज किया है तो उसका पालन भी किया जाए। सर, मेरा ये कहना है और मेरे को मिस्टर डेरिक साहब ने जो विषय कहा है उस पर घनघोर आपत्ति है कि अगर इस सदन की रूलिंग को कोई मैन्युफैक्चरिंग वर्ड का इस्तेमाल करेगा, वो अनपार्लियामेंट्री है, डेरोगेटरी है, उसको रिकॉर्ड से निकाला जाए।
Thank you. Now I move to the Election Laws Amendment Bill 2021. Shri Kiran Rijiju to move a motion for consideration